Hey Zeus, hey Cornelius. I just got done feeding your little sister Quetzal, and I feel we haven't had enough axolotl representation lately. So I think it's time to change that. What do you think? You look very sleepy. Two axolotl themed builder sets, Squishmallow and Adopt Me brands. Okay, there's a lot going on here, and we have a lot to build, it looks like. So I say, let's open it up. Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z, this is Cornelius, and you all know Zeus. And of course, there's Quetzal the axolotl in her tank. She can't really come out to play. So in honor of her, we're gonna unbox some axolotl things, like not one, but two brand new builder sets by Jazwares. Now, these sets, they have licensing for both Squishmallow and Adopt Me. And it just so happens they made an axolotl in each. So I had to get them. The Adopt Me one comes with a whole, looks like a pirate ship themed bed, which I personally would enjoy in real life. And apparently the Squishmallow one is actually squishy. Also, I was today years old when I realized it's Squishmallow and not mellow. I've been saying it wrong this entire time. Anyway, I say let's open it up. I'm gonna start with the squishy one. Oh, Zeus, we might need more table space for building, but let's see. All right, kind of destroyed the box. Oh, it's gonna be bigger than I thought. So we have bagel pieces. They also make sets that come with other creatures and little play sets, backdrops, and they're insanely cute. Do you know all the directions? That would be helpful. Okay. Now keep that tail in check. I don't want you eating pieces all over the place. Oh, okay. Well, actually, that works too. Hold that up. That's very nice of you. Do not eat the pieces. I just said don't eat the pieces. I just said don't eat the pieces. Okay, don't bat the pieces. Child, you're supposed to hold the directions, not eat the pieces. Hold that. Thanks. Now, you just dive right in there thinking I'm not paying attention, huh? Just put the squishy belly together. So here we have little axolotl Squishmallow. Just ever so slightly rubber squishy tummy. And he has his arms can even move. They added posability and articulation. That is delightful. Now to the Adopt Me brand. You won't chew on that, are you? Okay, you cuddle with the axolotl. It's still in one piece. Also gets points for sturdiness. Oh, something fell out. Exclusive virtual item code for if you actually play the Adopt Me game. You can scratch this off and get a code for exclusive items. That's cool. This only shows you two of the other sets, but they make some really cool ones. You are taking up so much table, my son. Okay, so our little boat crib, it legit rocks. So here we have our little Adopt Me builder axolotl. And again, articulation. Well, here we have our builder axolotls, one Squishmallow and one Adopt Me, with pirate boat crib that actually rocks. Overall, these are so stinking cute. This is the first time I've experienced this builder brand, but as for little plastic brick building goes, directions were super easy, super simple. Didn't take long to build them, everything snapped together well. And both sets involve motion or articulation. Well, thank you so much for tuning in this week, and make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. More step-by-step building processes that involve the most adorable little creatures. And you were included in the most adorable little creatures. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time. Bye. And here we have our builder Squishmallow and Adopt Me, both their little axolotl sets. There is almost too much axolotl cuteness to handle. Too much, because there's two axolotl. Yeah. Okay, bye now.